Hello everyone, I am Tarindi Himaranshi. Let's see high scope approach. This is my content. Explaining the approach. These are the objectives of promoting early childhood care and development 0 to 5 years. Dr. P. Weikart was an American psychologist and founder of the High Scope Curriculum and Early Childhood Education Program. The High Scope Educational Research Foundation studies method of early childhood education based on the methods of the 1962 Perry Preschool study. It was founded in 1970 by psychologist David Weikart. The High Scope Program: Plan, Do, Review and Process. 3 steps to successful implementation. We realize that choosing the right curriculum for your program is an important decision. This is why we have made it easier than ever to get started using the High Scope curriculum. Within simplified step-by-step approach, this collection of curriculum resources has been thoughtfully created to support early childhood educators and ensure that the transition to the High Scope curriculum is successful and effective. Learning in the High Scope preschool curriculum begins with child's direct and immediate experience with people, materials, events and ideas. Action plus reflection equals learning. High Scope teachers create opportunities in the daily routine for children to reflect on and talk about their play experiences. Rather than manage children from a distance, adults in High Scope programs interact with them whenever they are and at their level. The layout of the classroom and the materials in it are carefully planned because of their strong impact on what children learn. Assessment that is grounded in children's everyday experiences in the classroom is a key element of High Scope programs. The teacher observes carefully as the child ties another length of twine to his stick creation. In the High Scope preschool program, teachers ignite children's interest in learning by creating an environment that encourages them to explore learning materials and interact with adults and peers. We have to focus on supporting early learners as they make decisions, build academic skills, develop social and emotionally, and become part of classroom community. Active learning is at the center of the High Scope curriculum. It's the foundation of young children gaining knowledge through their natural play and interaction with the environment, events and other people. The High Scope preschool wheel of learning illustrates the curriculum principles that guide High Scope preschool teachers in their daily work with children. This section briefly introduces each component of the wheel. Assessment. Ongoing child assessment is also an underlying component of the High Scope curriculum. Objective anecdotal observation of children collected throughout children's nature play allow teachers to assess child's progress and plan meaningfully learning experiences. Adult-child interaction. Teachers act as partners, working alongside children and communicating with them both verbally and non-verbally to encourage learning. Key strategies for adult-child interactions are sharing control with children, communicating as a partner with children, scaffolding children's play, using encouragement instead of praise, and take a problem-solving approach to support children in resolving conflicts. Daily routine. A consistent framework for the day provides a balanced variety of experiences and learning opportunities. Children engage in both individual and social play, participate in small and large group activities, assist with cleanup, socialize during meals, develop self-care skills, and exercise their small and large muscles. The most important segment of the daily routine is the plan, do, review sequence, in which children make decisions about what they will do, carry out their ideas, and reflect upon their activities with adults and other children. These higher level thinking skills are linked to the development of executive functions, which are needed to be successful in school and life. Learning environment. To create a predictable and active learning environment, teachers arrange and equip the classroom with devices, open-ended materials that reflect children's home, culture and language. The room is organized and labeled to promote independence and encourage children to carry out their intention. We are creating strong instructional leaders across the country and around the world, helping programs build capacity for sustained positive outcomes, and ensuring every teacher is supported and every child can thrive. Research proves that the high-quality early education improves a child's chances for long-term success, and that the positive impact of high-quality early education goes beyond the child to improve the lives of future generations. Children who receive high-quality early education compared to those who do not. The High Scope Preschool curriculum is based on more than 50 years of research on early childhood development and has been validated by direct evaluation of the curriculum. Our framework for understanding and supporting children's learning from age 3 to 5 years is based on 58 key developmental indicators, which are aligned with national and state early learning standards, Common Core State Standards, and the Head Start Learning Outcomes frameworks. Preschool curriculum content. Learning in these 8 areas is guided by 58 key developmental indicators. Each KDI indicators an important learning goal for young children. We recognize that the normal pace of children's developmental and learning varies widely across these 8 categories, and the KDIs reflect that continuum of widely held expectations. Our curriculum is designed to help teachers appropriately scaffold learning for every child across all areas. In the High Scope Preschool curriculum, learning is focused on the following 8 content areas: approach to learning, social and emotional development, physical development and health, language, literacy and communication, mathematics, creative arts, science and technology, social studies. The High Scope Key Developmental Indicators provide teachers with a child developmental filter for observing and choosing appropriate indicators and activities. Help teachers interrupt what young children say and do along a developmental continuum. Enable teachers to maintain reasonable expectation for young children. Reinforce children's play as the primary mechanism for learning. Allow teachers to be more knowledgeable and international in their daily planning for individual children and the class. What is a high-scope classroom? In a high scope classroom, children are guided to explore, interact, and exercise their creative imagination through purposeful play. Well prepared, teachers support and extend each children's learning based on their developmental levels, so children enter school ready and eager to learn. Play-based, child-centered, and grounded in research, the high-scope curriculum features active learning at its core. In a high-scope curriculum, children are guided to explore, interact, and exercise their creative imagination through purposeful play. Creative curriculum is a teacher-direct method of classroom planning. Keeping in mind children's interest, the teacher plans the daily activities and areas of learning. High scope allows children to develop their own daily schedule and learning interest with the teacher as a facilitator who guides the process. In the high scope curriculum, the role of the teacher is to support and extend the children's learning by observing and listening, asking appropriate questions, and by scaffolding learning experiences. They plan their program based on the children's interest using the key developmental indicators as a focus. High scope is a quality approach to early childhood care and education, which has been shaped and developed by research and practice over 50 years. The central belief of high scope is that children construct their own learning by doing and being actively involved in working with materials, peoples, and ideas. Disadvantages. These are the disadvantages of high scope curriculum. How can we apply this approach to Sri Lanka? General guidelines for organizing spaces and materials. The space is divided into well-defined and labeled interest areas to encourage different types of play. Sensory table and wood block area. Art area and maths area. Toy area and science area. Music and movement area. Writing and computer area. Reading and block area. Outdoor area. High Scope is on a mission to close the opportunity gap through high quality early childhood education. Adults using high scope curriculum promote active learning by establishing settings that engage children in a wide range of play, alone and with others, including exploring, building, pretending, painting and drawing and playing simple games. Find use and return materials of particular interest to them as they pursue their own plans and intentions. Feel safe, value and adventurous. Thank you.